Video. In today's video I will show you how to reduce size of an image by compressing it when you pick it from your photo picker. So yeah, let's get started. So being the meanwhile I will just run my Android emulator. So first of all, what I have done is that I will close this class. So I'm not using any third party library for this. Like, I have referred to some libraries, but they were not properly updated, and I don't want to use code which might get deprecated in the next year or two. So yeah, as usual, let's create an just create a native Android application. Next, inside Android manifest, you don't have to do anything. Inside build.gradle, all I have done is yeah, nothing. You don't need to import this call dependency. This is from my last project as well. Yeah, I think I'm just using Android Studio Giraffe, so I think that's the only change. Inside this also I don't see any change. So let's just go to main activity, and if you see my activity underscore main, I'm just taking I think a button and an image view. So if I just show you, I have just taken a button and an image view. So inside main activity, what I have done is, first of all, I have initialized our image view, and I am finding my button by using find view by id, and on click on it I am launching the image picker. Sorry, this variable is named wrong. This should be single image picker launcher, but I guess that's fine. But this the main important part is I'm using image only over here. So once that is done, you will get come over here inside register for activity result, and here as you can see I'm compressing the image. And once the image, so here you will get the image URI. Okay, so once you get that, I'm calling this function called compress image, and that will give you I think a path. So this is not a file exactly, it would be a path, and I'm converting it to a URI and setting it to our image view. So compressing image in Android is little difficult. Honestly, I have just copy pasted this code from ChatGPT. So copy paste it at your own risk. But I have tested it for almost level MB of images, and it compresses it to almost 1 or 2 MB, and the application does not crash. So I guess that's the good part of it. So this is for calculating in sample size. Like, I don't really understand. I think it is more about changing the dimension of the original image. And here this is the desired width and desired height. I'm not sure if this should be the same as your image views width and height, because I'm using constraint layout and it occupies the maximum width and height available. But yeah, I mean, you can just play around with these values. And so yeah, this is how we get the bitmap. So this is pretty complicated for from Android P and above. So, and I have not tested it below Android P, because like it is as simple as using this. So yeah, like again, like I said, I have copy pasted this from Chat GPT. So yeah, this is how the I think the compressing works. And yeah, here I'm creating, as you can see, I'm creating a compressed file, and this would be saved inside our internal storage. So you can just copy paste, like you don't need to copy paste the path because the user might delete the cache as well. But yeah, be careful around that part. But we are compressing the image and saving it to our internal storage, and then just returning that compressed file path. Okay, so I will here if you go to device explorer, yeah, I will go to data, and I think the application name is com.example.android picker. Okay, I will just refresh this for now, like synchronize cache. So I have already one image which is of 2838. I will just delete it just to avoid confusion. Okay, is it deleted? No, it's not. I think, yeah, now it is deleted. Okay, okay, so now it is deleted. Okay, I will close this as well. So you don't have anything in cache. Now if I click on hello world, hopefully I might have some image in my photos app. So I have this image. I think this is around what level MB or something. If I click on this, oh, my app crashed. Okay, what went wrong? No such file or directory. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. I think there is some issue with. I'll download a new image. I think that might be issue with that image. But last time I tested, I can guarantee you that there was no crash. I think any time now. Okay, Unsplash. So Unsplash has like high resolution images which are extremely large. So let's see what happens. Okay, I think we already had this image, so I will select something like this. Okay, I want the original image. Okay, I think it is almost like 4.9 MB. So I think this should be fine. If I go to my app, go to hello world, and if I click on this, so here you can see it is loaded. And now if I go over here, I will synchronize this. Here you can see it is only 32 KB. So this is the same image. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.